Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to use Question Bank in the staff portal. It's simple. The Question Bank is exactly what it sounds like. A place to store questions for easy reuse when creating exams, coursework, and progress reports. If you need help filling your question bank, we have a dedicated tutorial for that. But for now, I'll walk you through how to use the questions you've already created. First, let's see how to use them in exams. Head to the navigation menu, select Tools and click on Exam. Once inside, you can either select a template or create a new exam. For this tutorial, let's create a new exam. Fill in the title, exam description, and subject. Now let's add our first question, a short answer type. For question 2, instead of creating a new one, click Import Question. This will pull up all activated questions from the question bank. Simply pick the one you need. And there you have it. You'll see that even the points and correct answer are synced automatically. The steps are essentially the same for coursework. Now, let's move on to how this works in progress reports. Head to the navigation menu and click on Progress Reports. Let's create a progress report. Fill in the title, report description, and subject. Now, let's select Import Question again. This will pull up all activated questions from the question bank. Simply pick the one you need. Unlike quizzes or tests, keep in mind that points are not imported, and there's no correct answer as this is a report meant for progress tracking rather than assessment. These steps allow for seamless question integration into exams, reports, and coursework, ensuring they meet the specific needs of each module. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.